A lot of LED companies gloss over details and offer service gimmicks, leaving you high and dry when things go wrong. But when you go with Daktronics, we actually deliver world-class service and support. From manufacturing and installation to ongoing service, our goal is to create customers for life. Think of us as an extension of your team. We're here with responsive, timely support and are fully committed to your success. Many LED manufacturers leave you with more exclusions than inclusions when it comes to support, forcing you to read the fine print to see what you are really getting. When you go with Daktronics, we show you what lies beneath the surface and provide you with the right level of service to fit your needs. Things like training, parts repair, and warranty that others don't want to talk about are brought into focus. With a service organization that has been in place for more than 50 years, we understand that a good ownership experience is a team effort. That's why our service network consists of dedicated account service managers, service coordinators, local field engineers around the country, a technical phone support team, online support, and web and on-site training options, all working together to support you. We understand the importance of local service and support. That's why we have over 70 Daktronics field service engineers located across the country. We also work with 125 service partner companies, including over 300 Daktronics trained technicians. Another key component to our service network is our state-of-the-art product repair center and dedicated team located in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Repairs can be made in as little as 2 days, giving you more uptime. All of this combined with our 50 years of product and service expertise, you can have confidence that Daktronics is the obvious choice. When you succeed, so do we. To learn more about our service and support, visit daktronics.com/support.